Hello and welcome to this Excel concept video. In this video, I will be going over some basic functions and formulas within Excel. If you would like to use these files for practice, you can access them at files.learnsoftware.org. Before demonstrating some of the basic functions, it's important to understand the difference between a function and a formula. Formulas are user-defined and functions are predefined by the program. The first function I will be going over will be the sum function. The setup of the sum function is the same as many other functions, such as average or minimum. Once you understand one of these, you can apply the information to the other functions. To start the function, you must type an equal sign. Then you'll type sum and open a parentheses. Then you can type out the numbers you want to add or select the cells that they are in. If you are manually typing in the numbers, you will need a comma between each number. When selecting the cells, you can select each one with a comma between or click and drag to select multiple at once. Once you have all the cells selected or numbers typed, you'll need to close the parentheses. When you hit enter, the cell will produce the sum. Next, I will cover the formula for multiplication. The first step of a function or formula will always be typing an equal sign. Then you will select or type the first number that you are multiplying. After that, type an asterisk and select or type the next number. If you want to include multiple numbers in the formula, you can continue adding to the formula until you are finished. When you hit enter, the cell will give you the product. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in learning more, I recommend going to our YouTube page. We have more videos about Excel as well as other programs.